Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been many days. I have filmed a video. Since the past 3 days, I was so ill, so that's why I couldn't film any video for you guys. But today I was feeling so excited because these products which I'm going to talk about in this particular video, actually I'm going to just review one product, but yeah, I hope you will like it, and let's get started now. So the thing which I'm going to review in today's video are these are Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Weightless Liquid lipstick, Hyper Stay Weightless liquid lipstick. So if you don't know, Blue Heaven is an Indian company, and it's been there. I mean, it's been there from quite a long time, I feel so they have come up with their new range, that is the Hyper Stay range, and I'm also wearing the nail paint as well of that particular range. In fact, on my eyes, on my lips, on my full face, I am having all of their products. I did not get the foundation. I have reviewed the foundation although, so that's why I'm not showing you the foundation in this video. If you want to watch the review of the foundation, you can go and check it out. In fact, they have also launched concealer. So in this video I'm going to review only the liquid lipsticks, and from coming videos I'm going to review their other products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so these lipsticks, they retail for 115 rupees for 6 ml of product. So the quantity is really good, and the packaging, if you look, it looks very luxe. I feel that the packaging is better, slightly better than their older packaging, although it looks pretty same like the older lipsticks. I don't have the older lipsticks right now with me, so I'm not able to show you, but this particular packaging is exactly like their older lipstick. But in terms of quality, it does feel quite luxurious, I would say. So that's what I feel about this one. And the colors, again, I'll say they have some good nude colors as well, but don't get confused by the name, because the colors don't match the name, and that is a bummer. That's the only thing I don't like, because the names are something else and the color are something else. So you have to see a lot of swatches if you want to buy these lipsticks. Now, first of all, let's see how it looks on me without makeup. And in fact, right now also I've just applied a little bit of concealer and this kajal and this lipstick. So yeah, let's move towards the swatches first. Longevity, I wore this lipstick yesterday only. I was trying this out, and to my surprise, these are not very drying. The formula reminds me of their old liquid lipstick only, which used to come in this format only. So it reminded me of those lipsticks, because the formula is literally the same. I'm going to show you a swatch. I'm going to give you a swatch right here. If you see, these are very liquidy, and it's exact the same type of formula which their older liquid lipstick had. And yeah, that's how this color looks like. Although I would say pigmentation is there, but these are not supremely pigmented. These are not the most pigmented lipstick, because they are very liquidy. When you apply it, it takes time to settle down, but once it dries down, it does not transfer. It will not transfer. And what I noticed, that these are the lipsticks which will not even leave your lips dry. And also, if you're someone who does not like butthole lips, who hate butthole lips like me, this type of lipstick is not going to give you those, because it just fades evenly That's the best part. I was applying one of the nude shades last time, so it just faded evenly. I really like that because very few lipsticks do that. In fact, expensive lipstick than these, they also crack up my lips. So I really like the formula of these lipsticks because I was a fan of their older lipstick as well, and I have, you know, I have always made a review of those lipsticks. So this is the shade which I like. I love this shade. Now if you can see a thing, that darker shades are less pigmented, can become patchy, but the lighter shades, the nude shades, are not that patchy. They look really good, and they even look good on your lips. And these, you can easily remove these without a micellar water. I have included a demo where I have removed the lipstick with only one wet wipe. If you use wet wipes, then you can just wipe it off using a wet wipe. And these are not that long lasting, because as you know, these are very light weighted, so your lips will not feel crack up. So these lipsticks will be there easily 3 to 4 hours. After that you have to reapply, and if you're reapplying the lipstick, your lips will not feel chapped. But again I'll suggest you, if you're reapplying the lipstick, just remove the lipstick first, then reapply it. And if you are applying any liquid lipstick, it is necessary to scrub your lips, because our lips tend to have that that outer peel of skin that does not look great. So that's why always try to first of all scrub your lips and then apply a lipstick. And I'm having so much of hair fall. These winters, they have made me crazy. Any which ways, so will I recommend this? Yes, absolutely, because the packaging is also really good. Plus I got 25% of discount on original price of all the products, so I paid really less. I paid just, I think, 95 rupees. If you want under 100 rupees, I mean, these are the best, I feel, under 100 rupees. I have tried so many lipsticks, but again I feel these Blue Heaven lipsticks are really worth for your money. So I have these 3 shades which I have swatched also. This is the lightermost shade. It might wash me out without makeup. With makeup it looks phenomenal on my skin. So yeah guys, that was about it. I hope you enjoyed, and I would 101% recommend these lipsticks to you. Go and grab yours because these are really affordable. And I have shopped it from Blue Heaven's website. You can also see it on Amazon. I'm not sure about Amazon, but on Blue Heaven's official website it is available. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys liked it, and if you have any requests, make sure to leave it down below. Any suggestion, leave it down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Bye bye.